It has been a long time since NASA's James Webb Telescope gave us a staggering first look at the depths of our universe. The world initially started seeing spectacular images of the universe, captured by the powerful James Webb Telescope, quite a while ago. NASA's James Webb Telescope provided us with an incredible view of the deepest parts of the universe. There have always been mysteries in the world, but what the James Webb Space Telescope just found is beyond anything we could ever imagine. The new images sent back from the farthest reaches of space are both beautiful and deeply unsettling. Get ready for an adventure into the unknown as we reveal the astonishing new images captured by the James Webb Telescope. What secrets of the universe have we uncovered? What do these discoveries mean for our understanding of the universe? Let's explore these unprecedented findings and examine the strange events occurring in space that are both awe-inspiring and alarming. Scientists and experts have been thrilled about the James Webb Telescope since it was first put into service. Although it has only been in use for 3 years, it has already observed many things in our vast universe and discovered new phenomena. Since it shifted to its remote star, the infrared telescope has given researchers and astronomers breathtaking views of the universe. Experts were especially eager to see the first scientific images taken by the telescope, which is the largest and most powerful space telescope ever built. The academic community is astounded and tight-lipped regarding its latest image, but this remarkable discovery was made by the JWST when it aimed its instruments at the famous pillars of creation, which are about 7,000 light-years away in the constellation Serpens. Since then, experts have been astonished by what has been found in this strange place. The Eagle Nebula is composed of the pillars of creation. The Hubble Space Telescope first captured an image of this enormous cloud of gas and dust in 1995, but the new image from the James Webb Telescope revealed even more astounding details. Stars that were invisible in the Hubble image now shone brightly, and some of them had formed just a few 100,000 years ago. Despite researchers being amazed by their extraordinary findings, they couldn't help but wonder, what if these structures were built by intelligent beings from other planets? Could they be alien landmarks? The thought of such a discovery sent chills down their spines. However, the JWST wasn't ready to rest just yet. With another dazzling image, the James Webb Space Telescope observed Pandora's cluster, a region of space with a fascinating passageway named after the Greek goddess Pandora, known for her curiosity. It is believed she opened a box that released all the world's troubles, but Webb's study of Pandora's cluster did not unleash any bad things. Instead, it focused on a specific area of space, using a theory Albert Einstein developed in 1915 to produce a remarkable image that stunned scientists. This new image of Pandora's cluster, previously called Able 2744, showed features in space that had not been seen before. The Hubble Space Telescope had only looked at the center of this region, but the James Webb Telescope's infrared instruments revealed a wealth of hidden information that still needs to be unraveled. The researchers working on the JWST quickly realized they were on a unique mission to observe phenomena as part of the ultra-deep near-IR-CAM observations for the Epoch of Reionization program. They used Webb's massive telescope's near-infrared spectrograph and near-infrared camera to carefully observe the Pandora cluster, capturing a comprehensive image of the area. The team used the JWST to take 4 photos of the region and then meticulously stitch them together to create a stunning panoramic image. This incredible image revealed an astonishing 50,000 infrared light sources, showing what Pandora's cluster, located about 3.5 billion light-years away, truly looks like. This panoramic view provided us with a wide and deep perspective that could fundamentally alter our understanding of how galaxies formed. A brilliant star from our own Milky Way galaxy was visible in this beautiful image. The star exhibited dramatic diffraction spikes, a spectacular effect produced by the James Webb Telescope. Clusters of brilliant white light glowed in this beautiful scene, surrounded by an ethereal darkness. These were the galaxies of Pandora's cluster, located much farther away than the star at the center. Our highly advanced technology was instrumental in capturing this breathtaking view of the sky. However, astronomers also relied on a natural phenomenon that Albert Einstein discussed in his famous work on general relativity in 1915. This theory of gravity, known as general relativity, was crucial in helping to interpret the observed cluster of galaxies. Yet this was just the beginning. Despite the incredible discoveries, the James Webb Telescope observed something else that almost defies scientific explanation. It found another intriguing image that clearly showed a set of peculiar concentric rings surrounding a distant star. Researchers from around the world have been puzzled since this picture arrived on Earth. A local researcher named Judy Schmidt posted this strange picture on Twitter, which immediately ignited a surge of remarks and confusion in the online community. The star in question, WR140, was ringed by regular circles that resembled waves, gradually disappearing into the endless darkness. However, what caught people's attention most about the image was that the circles weren't completely round. Rather, they appeared to be square-like, leading to speculation about possible alien origins. Alongside Schmidt, researchers and observers worldwide soon found themselves contemplating the odd shape and pattern of the rings. Shortly after, another space expert, Mark McCaffrian, called the phenomenon insane on Twitter. McCaffrian is a general scientist in the JWST Science Working Group and a science advisor to the European Space Agency. Further research, however, showed that the six-pointed blue structure was simply an optical artifact caused by the bright star WR140. Astronomers were surprised by these shells, which looked like red, curved, and cubed shapes. Young stars generally shine brightly and have a brilliant blue color. As stars age, though, they change, becoming redder as they cool down and exhaust their fuel. The Webb telescope observed fiery spots in the deep fields that were hundreds of times denser than galaxies known at the time. Shockingly, these galaxies were thought to be as large as the Milky Way when the universe was only 3% as old as it is now. One of the astronomers studying these results, Leah, said she was astonished by her findings. She thought the speed with which these massive galaxies formed after the Big Bang raised questions about current theories concerning the universe. However, astronomers needed to confirm that the red dots they saw were truly galaxies before they could entirely change their ideas. Leah considered other possible explanations and speculated that stars in the early universe might have emitted light in unusual ways, given that they lacked heavy elements. Adding these factors to their models could radically alter how we think about star formation in the early universe. Astronomers are enthusiastic about these possibilities because they could provide new insights into how stars are born. For the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science program, Webb's near-infrared camera was used to take these images. Soon, astronomers will study the T-degrees mirror on these galaxies again, but this time they will do so to obtain light spectra. NASA scientists believe the spectra will help them determine what these light sources are made of, both chemically and physically. It is also hoped that these spectra will be crucial in determining the exact distances to objects in space, revealing more about what those objects are. What's even more fascinating is that scientists had to revise their ideas about the universe's beginnings. A little over 6 months after the first Webb observations were made public, another astonishing find was made. Researchers looked closely at an image and saw what appeared to be a rotating wormhole within a beautiful ghost galaxy. The Phantom Galaxy, also known as NGC 628 or Messier 74, was shown in this new image with its eerie glow. The renowned scientist Judy Schmidt carefully created this haunting picture using Webb's mid-infrared instrument, which is located nearly 1 million miles from Earth. It's called the perfect spiral due to its symmetrical shape, and the magnified image highlights the galaxy's dust paths in detail. What truly intrigues researchers is the possibility of an intermediate-mass black hole at the center of this cosmic marvel. Many professional photographers have captured images of this galaxy, including shots from the Hubble Space Telescope and the Wide-Field Infrared Survey Explorer. However, Webb's images stand out because they focus on the mid-infrared range, showcasing the cosmic dust within the galaxy. NASA astronomers note that Webb's unparalleled power, along with its unique 18-segment hexagonal mirror and precise positioning in deep space, makes this image so detailed. Scientists were still trying to decipher the Phantom Galaxy when the James Webb Space Telescope captured another strange observation during its first round of scans. Webb found distant galaxies that were larger than expected, almost as large as our own Milky Way. These galaxies were filled with mature red stars, spread across the universe, appearing as tiny reddish spots through telescopes. Astronomers believed they were observing the universe in its early stages, only 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. By examining the light emitted from these galaxies, they discovered that it wasn't surprising that these early galaxies existed. Astronomers had previously thought the first star clusters would form shortly after the universe emerged from its dark ages, a period when hydrogen atoms were extremely dense. However, the galaxies observed in Webb's photos have excited researchers because of their massive size and age. These results contradict what was previously known about the early universe and the changes it underwent over time. They also challenge observations made by the Hubble Space Telescope. An esteemed cosmology and astronomy professor at Penn State, Joe Lea, stated that the team had expected to find young, small galaxies in the early universe based on work done with Hubble and other instruments in the past. These infant galaxies were believed to be new entities that originated from the primordial cosmic soup, working to form their first stars and structures. The unexpected discovery of larger, older galaxies challenges previous understanding and opens up new avenues of study. This beautiful picture taken by the JWST showcases an astonishing cluster of stars forming in the early universe. Scientists and experts are still stunned by the incredible phenomena they are witnessing in space due to how active and dynamic this event is. In addition to these stunning stars, the JWST captured another mesmerizing image of a giant hourglass surrounding a young star in the star-forming region of Taurus. This lovely scene, visible in infrared light, focuses on L1527, a dense cloud of gas and dust that blocks ordinary telescopes. The cosmic hourglass became an intriguing subject for Webb's near-infrared camera. Researchers are still uncertain about the implications of this discovery but see it as an opportunity for further study. They believe that examining the giant hourglass will help them understand the processes surrounding the hidden protostar. These findings may also aid in comprehending how young stars mature, according to the Space Telescope Science Institute in Maryland, which oversees Webb's mission. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, marks a major step forward for science. Researchers can now observe Neptune's rings and moons more clearly than they have in 32 years, thanks to JWST's latest images. JWST has provided as much data as previous cameras, revealing faint, dusty groups of Neptune's cold rings, visible for the first time since Voyager 2 flew by the planet in 1989. Heidi Hamel, a planetary scientist with the Association of Universities for Research in Astronomy, was thrilled to see these features in infrared light. Scientists were even more surprised when they discovered new rings around Neptune that had never been seen before. These faint dust rings were not visible to Voyager 2 during its close encounter with Neptune. JWST's image has shown rings previously unknown, deepening our understanding of Neptune's ring system. The image taken by JWST does not show the blue color usually associated with Neptune. JWST observed Neptune in near-infrared light, where methane in Neptune's atmosphere strongly absorbs light at these wavelengths, making the planet appear mostly dark. However, bright clouds are visible as high-altitude clouds in various luminous spots in Neptune's southern hemisphere, reflecting sunlight before methane in the atmosphere absorbs it. The JWST image also reveals fascinating new details about Neptune, such as a distinct band of clouds at high latitudes encircling a notable vortex in Neptune's atmosphere. A faint line of light appears around Neptune's equator, illustrating how the planet's atmosphere circulates across the globe, bringing winds and storms across the icy giant. The JWST was also able to detect an intriguing light near Neptune's northern pole, even though the telescope was nearly 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth. This was a surprise since Neptune's north pole was just out of JWST's view due to the planet's position in its orbit around the Sun. This demonstrates the telescope's incredible sensitivity. Additionally, 7 of Neptune's moons were visible in the JWST images, with Triton, the largest moon, receiving extra attention. Triton appeared brighter than Neptune's dim methane-covered atmosphere due to its surface, which is covered by a layer of frozen condensed nitrogen, reflecting about 70% of the sunlight it receives. Triton orbits Neptune at a distance over 30 times farther from the Sun than Earth, making it an intriguing nearby companion. Neptune may seem far away, but it is just a cosmic stone's throw from the stars and galaxies that JWST is designed to observe billions of light-years away. This highlights the telescope's dual purpose, exploring the farthest reaches of the universe while also offering valuable insights into our own solar system. In addition to an image of Neptune, JWST captured a picture of the Tarantula Nebula, an astonishing stellar nursery. Using its high-resolution infrared equipment, the telescope revealed that this nebula is home to thousands of young stars, many of which were seen for the first time due to JWST's remarkable sensitivity. The telescope also detected gas, dust, and even distant background galaxies within the nebula. The Tarantula Nebula, also known as 30 Diuratus, lies 161,000 light-years away in the Large Magellanic Cloud and is the largest star-forming region near our Milky Way galaxy. Astronomers are particularly interested in it because it helps them understand the process of star formation. JWST's views of Titan, one of Saturn's unusual moons, led to astonishing discoveries. Titan has land masses, rivers, and seas filled with liquid methane and other hydrocarbons. Its atmosphere is thick and hazy with methane clouds. Researchers were surprised when JWST observed 2 methane clouds on Titan. Since then, many scientists have expressed their fascination with JWST's glimpses of bright and dark spots on Titan's surface. Astronomer Connor Nixon from the Goddard Space Flight Center in Maryland dedicated 15 hours a day during JWST's first year to studying Titan's atmosphere, mapping its haze, and identifying new gases. The findings were thrilling. Not only did researchers detect 2 clouds, but one was located above Kraken Mare, Titan's largest sea. The team is excited to monitor these clouds to see how they change over time, but their investigation isn't finished yet. The near-infrared camera on JWST and another instrument called the near-infrared spectrograph have allowed scientists to isolate Titan's lower atmosphere, providing more data to explore. This spectrograph measures different wavelengths of light reflected off Titan's atmosphere, helping scientists identify its chemical composition. Like the bright spot above Jupiter's south pole, JWST is scheduled to revisit Titan in June 2023. This time, it will use its mid-infrared instrument to help researchers learn more about the chemicals that make up Titan's unique and complex atmosphere. The James Webb Space Telescope's images have astonished scientists, who are confident that this incredible telescope has the potential to discover many new and exciting phenomena in the vastness of space. As we peer further into the cosmos, JWST promises to unlock mysteries that have eluded us for centuries, granting us access to realms of knowledge that were previously out of reach.